Hello YouTube, Logan here, and in today's video guys, I have a really cool video for you. In today's video, I have a custom light kit, and it isn't like all around, but it's just the headlights, because those are that's what they're supposed to look like. It's supposed to be halogens, and that's what's cool about it, is I did halogens for my front headlights. They're both halogens from a Hess truck that you probably would have gotten for your Christmas from like 70s and 80s, maybe 90s. Nowadays they do LEDs in those, but these are really nice for the application because they run off of like a small amount of voltage. However, you do want to put some kind of resistor in there or else you will blow out your headlights. I'm speaking from experience here. Then I come around back, I have a switch right here for said headlights. You see it right there. I'll demonstrate that. So it's on right now. Off. There we go. On. Yeah. My switch is loose back there. But if you come inside here, you will see where the magic is happening. So this just comes out of the receiver box, goes to the back, and then that's where the switch is. You can see my screws come loose. And then you come back up here to the front. This one goes into the magic black box. If I don't know what this is, there's numbers on it. If you want me to put the numbers and letters down below so you can see what it is, go ahead and ask me in the comment section. I painted all the wires black, by the way, which it will take a very long time to dry because it takes out all the hardeners. And then come up here to the connector. This is like a SX24 connector. Then it goes into this harness here, which I haven't painted, but it's whatever. And it goes into the Hess halogens. Then you will need to be printing a set of halogen like light holders that where the original LED ones would go. The LED ones will not work with this. I printed these and they work really good. PLA is a bit it's not the greatest for this application because it'll get a little bit too hot, but other than that, that's just what I did. Really super simple. They're super cheap on eBay, the Hess trucks, so you can get multiple of them, and I mean, you can use it all around if you want. I don't have anything at the tail lights. I do want something there, but I won't be getting that for a little while. So do be careful. They will only be good if there's something reflecting light forward. If there's nothing here, it'll just glow. But without further ado, we're gonna go straight on to the video where you see all the clips of